Alright guys, check this out. I'm going to show you how to use this spray gun. This is a 3000 1.3 tip. Check this out. You always have to prime your gun. So you spray it a few times. Okay, it's spraying good. So this is what you do basically. Make sure you follow through all the way. Okay guys? And only about a good 8 inches, 6 inches away. Okay? And you follow all the way through, guys. You watch it all the way through. That way you don't have no blotches, and that way you don't have no little marks or anything. So basically, that's coat number 1. I'm gonna show you guys coat number 2. It's gonna be exactly the same.
Go.
All right, coat number 2, guys. When I'm a little bit further away and when I'm going a little slower, that's so the metallic lays down nice and smooth. You don't want to have that metallic all sucked up looking like all blotchy. So you do it slower and further away. That's called your drop coat. Welcome back guys, check this out. This is that bumper I was doing that for this Ford Focus. Basically, so what we did is the 3 steps. We sanded it down, I did some body work to this side of it, I primered the whole bumper because the bumper was not new. The bumper was a used bumper and it came silver metallic. So what we did is we primered it black and we put 3 coats of base coat. You guys see me, I put 3 coats of base coat and I put 2 coats of clear. And what I love using is my SATA guns. These SATA guns are made in Germany. Very, very well built guns. This is my clear gun. I love using it. As you can see, the clear on this bumper, it already has 2 coats of clear. Very good. So when you put it on clear, make sure it's wet on wet. No dry stuff, nothing. Wet on wet, make sure. So this bumper is actually going to dry pretty quickly. It's ready to go. So what I'm going to be doing the next step is actually installing it. So it's actually on the Ford Focus and I'll be showing you guys that. I'll give you guys updates on this. But as you can see, very beautiful color. You can see the metallic in there. It looks really nice. This is not no 3-stage. It's a dual stage paint. So that means base coat and clear coat. That's dual stage. The primer that I used is the primer is actually to seal the bumper and to make sure there's no flakes or nothing coming through or no actually little scratch marks or anything. You seal the bumper really well. So this paint that I did right now is actually going to last about 10 years if with proper care. So once again, SATA guns, Germany guns are awesome to use. I love using the SATA guns. That's all I use, guys. You can see my paint always comes out really wonderful.